Hi. In this video, we are going to see how we can fix an error that we often encounter while installing or updating the lice system's license. You'll notice that when we run either the enable or update command, this error generally occurs not because of any issue with license activation or reactivation or DNS issues, but due to version incompatibility. Today we are going to see how we can fix this error. First, we need to open a file in a text editor located at etc.repupdate.conf. Upon opening this file, we will see that a specific version is defined in the cPanel equals to line. This version prevents the cPanel from updating and acts as a restriction that stops the cPanel from being updated or run beyond this point. Therefore, we need to remove this version and replace it with LTS, which stands for latest. After making this change, we should save the file to apply our changes. To save the file, we first need to press Ctrl+X, then Y, and finally Enter. Our file is now saved, and I just want to confirm that our changes have been saved. Next, we need to run the following command: /usr/local/cPanel/scripts/upcp. After typing this command, we should press Enter. It will take some time for the command to execute, during which we should wait. Now that our previous command has been executed, if we run the command cPanel enable first, you'll see that we aren't encountering any errors, reflecting update command we ran at the start. You can see that our license has been reactivated, and we're not receiving any errors. This is how we resolve the issue related to version compatibility. Different operating systems may require different versions, so it's best to specify LTS in the cPanel equals to line. This ensures compatibility with the latest version that matches the requirements of our operating system. Thank you for your time.